Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw a black cat. So let's start drawing. First, draw a small diagonal line. Then close it at the bottom with a half circle to make the eye. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other eye. Just make the diagonal line tilted to the opposite direction. Draw an oval shape inside each eye and color them, leaving white spots to show light reflection. Draw a curved line above the eyes in the middle. Draw an upside down letter V on each side of the curved line to make the ears. Connect the two ears together by drawing a large half circle for the face outline. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw two small curved lines coming down from the bottom of the face in the middle for the neck. Extend the two lines outwards to make the body. Draw half a heart shape on the left side. And draw a similar one on the right side, just make it slightly longer than the left one. On the left side, draw a wavy line that looks like the mirror image of the letter S. Then draw another similar line right under it. And close them at the top to finish the tail. Draw a small letter V facing sideways under the tail and a similar one on the right side, facing the opposite direction. Connect them together at the bottom with a horizontal line. Draw three curved lines coming down from each side of the face for the whiskers. Meow! Now you can draw a black cat. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.